This is Fred Niemann of Hanlon, Niemann, a central New Jersey law firm practicing franchise law in all 22 counties of the state of New Jersey. I have a lot of people consult with me, particularly entrepreneurs who are interested in purchasing a franchise. Now, I have to admit, I do have a bias against franchising. I know there are a lot of benefits to it, and there are a lot of reasons why franchising can be good for someone new to the business world. But the requirements of being a franchisee and the unfairness of most franchise agreements is of such a nature that I'm always concerned that the inexperienced business person is going to wind up having future problems with the franchisor. So let's talk about what happens if problems develop in the future, and what if the franchisor now seeks to flex their muscle and terminate the franchise. Well, not so quick. While New Jersey is primarily a weak franchise state, it does have what is known as a good cause statute for franchise termination. And what do I mean by that? Well, good cause means that the franchisee materially breached an important term or series of terms in the franchise agreement. It does not mean minor violations, but it means a substantial benefit that the franchisor expected to receive because of the franchise relationship that has been put into jeopardy by the franchisee. If that's the case, there are certain notice and procedural requirements that New Jersey law requires, and those requirements cannot be modified or waived pursuant to a franchise agreement. They can bring a cause of action in New Jersey. They can seek to terminate the franchise agreement. But unlike most provisions of the franchise agreement, we can avoid some of the more punitive provisions if we can claim a violation of the New Jersey Franchise Act and allege that there was no good cause in terminating the franchise. We have a number of cases pending in the office right now, primarily against the big name franchisors whose conduct, frankly, is reprehensible. So if you're a franchisee and you're being threatened by your franchisor, if you believe that terms of the franchise agreement have not been followed, I want you to give me a call. We'll bring you in, we'll sit down, we'll have a talk to see whether we think there's anything we can do for you in protecting your rights as a New Jersey franchisee.